Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Shritoni from Pen Prints E83, the 49th Kolkata International Book Fair. And today we have with us one of our authors who has come all the way from Romania. We have Mihaila Gligor with the Song of the Banyan with us. You all have shown your love already on this book, which has become very popular as a non-fiction work. But now when we have the author with us, we would love to hear something from her. Welcome, Mihaila, to the
Thank you.
49th International Kolkata Book Fair.
Thank you
And
so
we would
much.
love to hear something about the Song of the Banyan from you. Why the Song of the Banyan?
Thank you. It's an honor for me to be here. It's my first time actually to the book fair in Kolkata.
Okay.
I've never been here. This is crazy. So many books, so many
Yes.
publishers. It's incredible. And I'm so happy that this book is here. And thank you
Mm.
so much for publishing it. The Song of the Banyan is my love letter to the city of Kolkata. Yeah, this is a love letter because I love Kolkata. What can I do? I'm coming here since 2007 and I've seen the city grow up and
Mm.
I grow up along with the city
Yes.
and
We have
it's
seen your moments. You have
yes,
written about them, Tagore and
yes,
your
Tagore and
moments.
the movements and
All the nooks and corners of Kolkata, they are so
yes,
known to
and the
you.
people of Kolkata and
Yes.
everything about it. Yeah,
Yes.
it's a beautiful city. You are so lucky to live here. It's so
There,
cultural and everything.
yeah, there are
Yeah,
chapterizations. Those who will be reading, this is for our readers. When you go through this book, each of the chapter has its own flavor, where she has discussed all, the nitty gritty of the city, the pulsating tune of the city. All these are described in so, tuneful words, where almost all her lines create a song, a symphony of what you find in the city. I think that is
thank
one
you.
reason
Yes,
why you call it the
the
Song
song of
of
the
the
banyan.
Banyan.
Yes,
Yeah, the old city and the Banyan, all of them, they somehow coalesce together.
yeah, they all
Right.
have a story.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Thank you, thank you.
thank you.
So we are so happy to get her. She already has a very busy schedule and she found out time to come to the Kolkata Book Fair, which is a confluence of so many voices. It's the orchestra that we find here, people running after books, people going crazy about books, buyers, readers, people from library, and I hope our readers will love Song of the
Yes,
Banyan as they have been doing. So find out this book at Pinprint's E83 stall number, and also on Amazon online, all the portals that we have, Amazon India, Amazon Global Platforms, Flipkart, and from our own Penprints bookstore. We're also having multiple international collaborations with colleges and universities across the world for our academic books and the academic segments. So stay tuned for more details. And thanks to Mihaila,
thank you.
who is not our guest in Kolkata, but who is a part of Kolkata.
Yes,
So we
thank you
love
so
you
much.
that you are here.
Thank you.